In a shocking incident, San Diego police officer Anthony Hare has resigned after being found locked in the backseat of his police cruiser with a woman he had arrested. The woman was detained on suspicion of car theft. During the drive to police headquarters, the woman was recorded making suggestive comments to Hare.
Don't say that right now. I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now.
In response, Officer Hare turned down a residential street and switched off both his car and bodycam. After about 20 minutes, he called a fellow officer, requesting a master key to open the back door, explaining that he had accidentally locked himself in. When the assisting officer arrived, he found Hare and the woman together in the back seat.
All right, sir, step out of the vehicle for me.
Hare claimed he was checking on the woman and that the door had locked accidentally. However, an investigation revealed traces of semen on Hare's belt. Following this revelation, Hare resigned from the police force. This incident has raised serious concerns about the misuse of taxpayer dollars and the effectiveness of body cameras, particularly when officers turn them off to avoid accountability.